Join me as I take on the challenge of launching a $100 AI business from scratch in just 1 week. I've always been fascinated by the potential of artificial intelligence to transform businesses and lives. The thing is, many people think that starting an AI business requires a fortune and a team of expert data scientists, but I'm here to tell you that's not the case. With just $100, you can launch your own AI business and start making money. Many people believe that AI is a field only for the big players with deep pockets. They think that to get started with AI, you need to invest in expensive hardware, hire a team of engineers, or spend a small fortune on complex software. But what if I told you that's just not true? The reality is that AI has become accessible more so than ever before. There are countless tools and platforms available that make it easy to get started with AI without breaking the bank. Another misconception is that you need to be a tech genius to succeed in AI. Sure, having some technical skills can be helpful, but it's not a requirement. What's more important is having a solid business idea and willingness to learn. You can always find experts to help you with the technical aspects of your business, but you can't outsource your entrepreneurial spirit. The cost of getting started with AI can also be a major deterrent for many people, but the truth is you don't need to spend a fortune on AI tools and software. There are very affordable options available, and some of them are even free. The key is to focus on finding the right tools for your business rather than trying to use the most expensive or complex tools. So how do you actually get started with launching an AI business on a budget? It all begins with identifying a viable business idea. This involves doing your market research, understanding your target audience, and finding a problem that you can solve with AI. You can start by looking at existing AI businesses and identify gaps in the market. You can also leverage existing AI tools to streamline your operations and reduce costs. Once you have a solid business idea, you can start thinking about how to build your business. This might include using pre-built AI models, working with a partner who has technical expertise, or finding affordable software solutions. The key is to be creative and resourceful and focus on finding solutions that fit your budget. One simple yet effective AI business model that can be launched with minimal investment is offering AI-powered services such as content generation, social media management, or virtual assistants. For example, you could offer AI-powered content generation services to businesses and individuals who need help creating engaging content. You could also offer AI-powered social media management services to help businesses manage their online presence. Many entrepreneurs have successfully launched their own AI business with a minimal investment. For instance, some people have built successful businesses offering AI-powered chatbots to small businesses. Others have created AI-powered e-commerce platforms that help businesses sell their products more effectively. These examples show that it's possible to launch a successful AI business on a budget. In conclusion, launching an AI business on a budget is definitely possible. By dispelling common misconceptions, identifying a viable business idea, and leveraging existing AI tools, you can get started with your own AI business. Remember, it's not about having a lot of money, it's about having a good solid plan and a willingness to learn. If you've got a business idea that you're excited about, I'd love to hear about it in the comments below. Don't forget to check out my other videos for more tips and advice on entrepreneurship, and I'll see you in the next one. If you have any questions about anything you've seen or heard on this video, don't hesitate to reach out to me. That's Alan on +44 7539 141257 or +44 333 224 1257. You can schedule a call with me at calendly.com/AlanJE, or you can simply drop me an email to alan@alpusonlineai.com or alan@alpusgroup.com, and we'll look forward to hearing from you. Cheers for now.